Hello, just an update for anybody that was interested. Phelim and Mick washing Annette's car, looking lovely. And here's Phelim's Honda CR-V. If you remember, the front end was bashed, so he got another bonnet and we painted it the other day. It's just needing a wee bit of adjustment in the bonnet. But she's looking not too bad. We've got a new grill bit there with the wreckers, and it's looking quite good. He's left this bit black here just now because the plastic's actually warped a wee bit, which is a shame, like all this stuff here. It doesn't fit 100% under the lights because of that. So we're thinking the next thing I'll be getting that new panel, which isn't that expensive. And then we can get that put on, get it sprayed, get it put on. The bonnet's just needing a wee final, I reckon it just needs a wee sand down with a 1000 grit and then a 2000 grit and then cut. It has been cut but it needs sanded down just to finish the paint job off. But yeah, she's looking no bad at all. And they're there, happy at their work.
Another session with Terry B with Dan.
Aye.
So what did you think of the Honda now? It's looking great.
It's good, isn't it?
Ah, it's so much better.
Yeah.
Well worth all the hours work we put into it.
Yeah.
It's good, it's good. The boys will be happy again.
Yes. We just need another project now. So I wonder what that'll be. Anyway, on with the video.